Hey guys, it's Chad. Hope y'all are doing well during these crazy times. Sure do miss y'all, miss seeing your faces every day. And just wanted to send a quick shout out to y'all and let you know that I'm thinking about you. Hope everyone's doing well, and hopefully we can get back together soon. Wanted to record a video showing you a couple of things that you could use that might support you in teaching your students. So first of all, the program I'm using here is called Omatic. Omatic is a program that allows you to record for free. All you have to do is create a profile, and then you can choose how you want it to record, whether you want it to only record the screen, if you want it to record your screen and using your webcam, it can do that. And I've used this in the past. It's a great way to record yourself teaching a lesson, and then your students can watch it via YouTube or something like that, and then you can they can pause it, they can rewind it, all of those great things, so that they can see the lesson again. So that's Screencast-O-Matic right there. Secondly, wanted to offer a little bit of information about Zoom. So Zoom is a way that the district has said that you can go in and do some meetings with your students, or perhaps you want to meet with your grade level team. And I've been using this with my personal kids at home. They've been using this with their teachers, and so it's pretty quick and easy, and so wanted to just show you how you get that. So you'll go to zoom.us, and then you will log in. There will be a site right over here for you to create your account, and there's that. So I can go to my account, and then I already started a meeting, so I'm going to click on that, and I want to simply click on the topic, and I've got that scheduled. And so here it is, and then as I've gone through, and I'll show you that here I can edit the meeting, and here it is. And so I'm going to give it a topic, so whatever it is that you're teaching on or what you're planning to discuss, you might put that there. Optional description, the date and time of when you would like for the meeting to take place, the duration. The free version gives you 45 minutes of free meeting time and up to 100 participants, so you should be good to go there. Do you want this to recur? Probably not. It's going to generate its own ID here. I do not require a meeting password. That way students can just get in without any difficulties. Video, do you want your video to start up automatically when you join the meeting? Yes. Do you want participants' video to start up automatically? Probably. Okay. Audio, I'm allowing both computer and telephone audio so that those with a smartphone can log in as well. Here are a few options down here. I left all of those blank. Then after I save, I go to the actual scheduler. I can schedule it in my Outlook. There's my meeting ID. And then what I want to do is just come right over here where it says copy the invitation. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to copy it, and then what I'm going to do is I can put that into the email that I send out to my students, my staff, with your grade level team, however you want to do that. And then they will simply highlight, copy, and paste this URL right here into their browser, and then it should take them directly to the meeting. And then once you start the meeting, they will be able to come in. You may have to run a little self-help correction thing. That way you get everybody on track, and then you can continue your meeting from there. So if you have any questions, they also have right up here under resources, they have some video tutorials that I went through that are very easy to understand, so you can do that as well. Otherwise, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to support you in any of the learning you are doing. And God bless you guys. Hope you're doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.